quick. No incoming stun. Claim the advantage, now hold it.
What the fuck you doing?
We've taken the lead. Stay on task. We're winning. Keep it that way.
Okay. Adivinha. Kewalan kiyong.
Hostiles reclaim
Okay, now they on. They weren't on. I swear they weren't.
Requesting recon above. Getting UAV Stone requesting LDBR.
Hostiles reclaim the lead. All over you. Have some goddamn pride.
Sentries incoming.
UAV inbound. Start.
Stations. We are fucking fucked. Escape and evade.
Booty gun.
Ow.
Chuchi guns.
Ow.
Please, for the love of God, vote classified. Oh my God.
All that bumping, teasing, and pleasing has left you country fried hair. Come get yourself some fixins at Pantene. Your hair healthy again.
Oh, is that told? Mhm.
Why? Why? Just
Is
fuck
that
it.
cold?
I'll grab your.
I'll just go. Yeah. Don't do that. Alright, I'm gonna try to rush my A, guys. Started strong.
We're planting the bomb. Bomb active.
I'm coming in, big gap. On bomb. On bomb.
Take that asshole down.
He's outside, coming in. Teammate is A-okay. Yeah, we lost.
Our device was disarmed.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Fight ain't over.
Our teammate was AFK, it's okay.
Blah 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 blah.
Oh, blah, 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 blah.
Excuses.
Yeah, and
Get a mic.
that.
Talk with your chest, not your fingers, little dog.
Yeah, okay.
Shut up, mother freaker.
Destroy.
Bro, get your wife in check, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
Protect the objective.
Yeah, you heard me.
Wait, what'd you say?
Say, get your wife in check.
Come on now.
AFK.
Hey, hold on. Let me mute this. I got you. Hold on. And if it ever fucking happens again, damn it, I died.
We left.
All right, it won't happen. She said she apologized. No, shut the fuck up. She said she apologized and it never happened again.
Okay, sounds good. Our left. Oh, behind you. They're all over A.
They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank.
Do that bomb. Oh,
Enemies planted the bomb.
that B.
You were looking at the bomb. Just shoot the bomb. You know there was somebody there. Hey, check
He's
me
in
on
the
the wall.
bright ass out.
Oh, I hear you.
Above you. Above you to the right.
Oh,
did he?
he's on you? I think he has you. He has you.
He's on your back? He's on your back?
He's doing you. He's on your back. There's one in your front. Hey, in front of you. In front of you. Damn, dude. This
That
dude
boy
is
got
not
piped up.
listening.
No,
That boy
behind
got his
you.
back blown
He's
out.
not
Left and right.
listening, dude.
Up, down.
That boy got his back blown out. That's crazy.
Shit could happen to
That's
me.
how you
Oh,
like
the
it, you
kill
know?
cam? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, taking it raw. Raw dogging him. Oh, he
That
even
boy got
pumped
his
it out.
back blown out. I don't care if you win. You'll never come back from that.
Wasn't me.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Right to that spot.
Bring bomb B. Come on. Hey, right below you. Whoever got bomb flip. Right below you, I think. Outside, bro. Right below you, outside. Right, like literally right below you, my nigga. Right below you, my nigga. Oh my
One in the
god,
versus
you're
by
fucking
B.
retarded.
He's right on B.
Oh my, what a player. There's a ladder to your left.
Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down. Bomb plan in progress. The bomb has been planted.
You could have played around. He said trash. Ah, you big mad or little mad? Cause if I look at the
If
score,
we're trash,
you're at
then you're
0.
fucking garbage, bitch. Cause you're losing.
Man, dog water. You getting dog water.
Hardcore search and destroy. Let them have it, Black Ops.
Hey, bombs down here. Bombs down here. Bombs on A.
One enemy standing.
I think he's in the spawn building.
Good shit.
Too easy.
Too easy, ain't y'all losing?
What the
Or
fuck,
am I
you're losing?
mistaken? Am I mistaken or
Yeah,
y'all
you right.
losing?
You right. No, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, okay,
Let me-
okay.
you wanna
I
take that
just
back?
wanted to check the
Let
score.
me take that back. I just clocked in.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Lydia with Medicaid.
Weapons free, people. Make some hands.
Bro, this nigga keep dropping the ball. Huh? He's laying all the way in their spawn.
Bring that bomb down to A. There's one on A now.
Good handle the heat. It's all on you now.
So you don't turn around when you go down that.
Quit stealing.
Oh, well, you look at that. Too easy.
Too easy.
Too easy.
Too easy. We
Nigga,
fucking
you're
lost.
playing in your spawn.
No, yeah, and y'all was all laying down with
You're
team fire
hard
around y'all.
scoping.
But alright,
Hold
but
on
alright.
now.
Yeah,
Hold on.
alright.
We did not have a
Hey,
fire
did-
at all.
wasn't
We
y'all
were
just
just
holding
laying
hands?
down.
Wasn't y'all just, I wasn't laying down, I was in a window.
You didn't
Thank-
sit on your ass,
thank
that's
you.
how you kill me.
Hardcore search and destroy. Find those shitheads who they're dealing with. One off the left. Take that asshole down.
Bombs on A again. And then spawn building.
Time's not on our side. Finish him.
Yeah, I have all those. All those pizza rolls.
They may be assholes, but they ain't tough. They're ready for a fight.
Hey, 4-2. Still got 2 more to say something. How you gonna talk? You ain't even got a mic, nigga. Shut up.
Hey, y'all some bitches.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Huh.
What's up? Destroy the objective. Bomb going down. Charge is set.
Run. Yeah, that's all good. It's all good, it's all good. No, this is my second game on. I still gotta warm up.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Oh, he's on the stairs up top. He's going down. He's going down. Fucking losers, man.
He said, are you blaming me?
Scoreboard. Scoreboard. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Too hard. It's too hard. It's crazy. Too hard.
Too easy. I'm 14 kills. I'm carrying y'all.
I ain't 4 kills, bro. I'm holding the team down. You feel me? Like down, like this.
Hey, take the bomb B. Come B. Come B. Come B.
That's what they're doing. All they're doing.
You feel me?
Where'd your team go? Where'd your team go?
That's my
Hey,
bitch.
where'd your team go?
Where your team go?
Winning.
Oh, you're welcome.
I do appreciate that. I like a good shit talking, so ain't nobody doing it, so I'm doing for us.
That's a super cool, ready? Oh, he was on the stairs in his building. In his building. Okay, good job. Like too low. I think
How did he
the
get?
last one was on me. 370. You know if you fall, you can fall down from that and not die. One left. Hey, look behind you, Dank. Miss Dank.
What you say about my bitch?
I told her look behind her. Hey, what happened?
Oh, yeah, y'all niggas still
What
trash.
happened?
Y'all still ass.
Easy.
Y'all still ass. 1v1 me.
I'll still yes.
1v1 me.
1v1
I'll
me.
sit on you in a 1v1.
1v1 me, G.
Look
I'll
at
still
1v1 me.
yes. Dead ass. Dead ass.
1v1 me.
I'll still yes.
We can
1v1 me.
2v2.
Invite
We
me.
can
Alright, do a
2v2.
2v2. Let's do it. Do a 2v2.
Hit it
8
on.
verse 1. 8-1.
Why you try lying to my eyes? You think I'm foolish? Why you saying I'm your money? Don't you think I'm stupid? Money type of problems. Once I come with money, big stuff. You can put a money. I know they trying too hard. They trying to bring me down because of jealousy. My niggas trapped if you want to me. Oh, you show me who I'm back to me. Get out my way. I'm way. I've had enough. I remember every day when my life was a sun. And I've been fucking with this shit long time, and I had to overcome. Man, I had to overcome. I've been on this shit long time. I'm a fucking rockstar, so don't treat me like I'm nothing. And I've been rocking with this shit long time, and I had to overcome. Man, I had to overcome. I've been on this shit long time. Extraordinary. I've been dancing, I've been flexing, bitch I'm ballin', with no feelings, yeah. I got problems, want more solutions, bitch I'm switching, with no issues, yeah. Never fake friends, in my circle, the money talking, and I never see it serving. With the same world I started with, yeah, with the same world I started with. I ain't switching up, I ain't changing up, with the same ones I started with. The same ones, the same ones. People switch up every time I look up. Ain't no friends in You bands on my neck 'cause I came up. I flex my muscle every day. I got my weight up. Yeah, got a jet till I made it real. Put 10K on my bitch, now she done up. She done need a certain wine like Madonna. Take my wrist away, now we eat at Benihana. Yeah, I'm a lesson. Stay down, stay down, stay down. I'm up now. It's my ride, live my life, I'm a ride. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Gotta check if I pay the rent. I'm good, 10K. Now she gone up, she gonna need to come.
Esto, walang yun.
This week, you say Dr. Okami has a great bedside manner.
You want to clear your name? This is where it happens.
Never rushes appointments and has an opening today. You should rush his office. And book. You've got options. Book on ZocDoc today.
We've taken control.
Wer vergeht dann die Jungen,